You gotta look down.
Guys, where's at a party?
Look down. I can't see your eyes.
Are you guys at a party? I am Princess Lazia.
Is that the best name to be?
Lazia.
Lazia.
It has Leah and Lazy in it. Leah, Lazy. Lazia. Can you tell me where is Princess Amina? Everybody, point out Princess Amina. Where is she? Is she over there?
Yes.
The reason why my mouth is not moving with the voice because I heard you guys are at the Oriental party.
I can't put this on my
I want to find the party where you guys have fun. Where are you having fun?
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Yes. Get back. Hey.
You can press those job right here.
Was that my God?
There, kids. It's your neighborhood police officer. All right, kids. In case of emergency, what do you do?
You are 911.
That's good.
Call
Is
Mr.
that
Carter.
Omar?
You call Mr. Carter, the sheriff.
Omar, you got it right. You dial what?
911.
911. Wow. All right, you got it. Do you know where Princess Lazy Leah is? I can't find her. She's down here somewhere. Let's go see if we can find her. Do you guys know where she is? Down here? There's nothing down here but a guy putting his hand up my shirt.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah. PG, keep it PG. He looks pretty handsome. No.
No what? It's for adult kids. It's for
You say something about the party?
Hey.
Is it the Princess Amina's party? Well, I'm trying to get there. Can you guys help me?
You're already here!
Is where?
You're already here!
I'm here.
You're already here!
I'm in the party right now.
Yes.
OMG. I got to get there ASAP. Can somebody help me?
No.
Try to jump over this sheet, but it's so hot in here. Oh my God. Woo-wee. Gotta find that Princess Amina's party.
We're already there!
Wait a minute.
You're in here already!
There's a cop and a princess down here.
Hey, come back here.
Yeah, he's like, where's the puppet?
I wonder who's coming next.
All right. You guys are having fun?
Yeah.
Now,
It's you again.
since I'm a fairy princess,
It's you again.
I'm gonna wave a wand, okay? And make everybody have fun.
Uh-oh.
It's not meaning. Just the same color.
And the count of three, repeat after me.
He was rehearsing this. I'm actually impressed.
One.
You gotta say abracadabra. One, two, three, say it. I can hear you.
Luigi, give me your bag. What?
Because he loves his auntie.
Hey, come back here.
I turned into a monkey. Who said abracadabra?
Not it.
You guys gotta wish me back to a beautiful princess.
No, thank you.
On the count of 3, you gotta say hokey pokey.
Hokey hokey.
On the
Hokey hokey.
2, 3.
Hokey hokey. Chicken hokey. Hey, come back here. Hokey hokey. It's not big. Sit down. Sit down. Oh my gosh. Alright. Come on. It's gonna be an
All right. Yay! You guys did it! You turned me back to a beautiful princess!
Yeah, beautiful, right?
Where is the birthday girl? I need a hug from the birthday girl!
Right there.
Come up here and give me a hug, girl!
Mm.
You know the deal. It's your 10th birthday! Let me give you a hug.
To be a monkey.
No, I gotta get that kiss! I'm kiss
Punch that.
He's gonna figure out the wizard.
He's like, how is that happening? Must investigate.
Is it over?
No.
Too bad.
Oh my god.
That's funny. Not your food.
with our friends. Hey, Lisa.
What,
Yeah, girl.
Really?
Did you have fun?
No.
Yeah. We did the
Pig
What
out.
is Love Challenge.
Can
We
you
ate some good food, girl. What kind of food?
Look, one.
Messing up the show.
We even got a cute guy doing the puppet show, girl. Oh, yeah.
A cute guy.
I think he's like the best uncle in the whole wide world. Who is that? What?
Brainwashing these kids.
Really not knowing.
Don't worry, I'll bribe them with money.
Hey there. Do you guys believe in myths?
No. No, definitely not.
All right, we're gonna make a wish. All right.
No.
Everybody says, I wish to be successful.
I
Or not wet your pants. Or bed. If you gotta pee, you go where? To the bathroom. And that's what I gotta go right now. I'll see you later.
There you go. Feel like a racer.
Oh, hey, dude. I'm just rolling. Rolling. Singing a song. I'm singing a song. You know what song can I sing?
Omar.
Somebody got a song I can sing?
ABC.
Twinkle, twinkle, and ABCs? I don't know if I can do that. Wow. Can you help me sing ABCs? I can't hear you.
Okay, I said it. Don't do that, Mina.
Hey there.
Oh, pirate.
Oh, I heard you want to walk the plank. You kids been eating too much candy.
That's John's sorrow.
You have to walk the plank.
Here's a clip-on. What? No, it's a
All right.
hook for him.
Now you gotta eat your veggies, right?
Yeah. It's
Why?
it's good for because it makes it strong.
You won't get cavities, right?
Hey, put that dog down.
All right. If you don't, I'll make you walk the plank.
If we don't,
Plank.
so we have to come back. He won't
All right. Hey guys, I had a great time. I gotta go. Everybody says goodbye. Happy birthday, Amina!
He said play the music. He said play the music.
Huh?
Play the music.
Oh, that's what
Can we use the puppets now, please? Please?
Ray was here.
One more puppet.
Alright, come on.
Can we use the puppets now?